about to go on the go-karts. It should be a lot of fun. They go 30 miles an hour and they're totally electric. Here's the one thing though. They do cost $9.95 US when you want to book them, and it's extremely hard to book them. So as soon as you get on the boat, you have to book your time, because the good times they sell out within 2 hours, and then you can't get a time for the rest of the cruise. So it should be a lot of fun. Here we go. Come on! Well, there you have it. That was really good fun, actually. That was go-karting on the Norwegian Bliss. It's a lot of fun. One thing is, I guess, make sure you're with people of equal ability, because if you're with people and you want to go a bit faster, you are slowed down. And if you keep going fast, they do slow down your go-kart for you. But a lot of fun, well worth a go. Hope you enjoyed it.